Hello everyone, my name is Wakio. Today I'm going to show you how to cook cabbage easily and efficiently using the rice cooker. First we're going to begin with switching it on. So we have switched it on and we have our ingredients here. We have tomato, we have red pepper, we have the onions, we have the tofu and a few spices here. We have the turmeric, black pepper, this is tomato paste and the salt. However, you can still use your ingredients as you wish. Okay, so let's begin. First we're going to place our cabbage in the rice cooker. Go. Now we're going to put the next thing, the onions, the tomatoes, followed by the paprika, then at this point we can place our water, a bit of water inside, and a bit of oil. Next, we're going to place our tofu. We're going to put our spices. In no particular order, I will begin with the turmeric, a bit of black pepper. I will place now the tomato paste. Followed by a bit of salt. And then you can close our lid and push the lever down. After about 15 minutes, you can see there's steam coming out. So at this point we can stir our cabbage. So we've opened it. Then you stir to mix everything together. When you're satisfied, you can close it again. So it's about 2 minutes. There's already steam coming up. So at this point, you can push the lever up to the warm mode. After 15 to 20 minutes, the cabbage should be ready. So at this point, you can switch off the rice cooker, open the lid, and it's ready to serve.